Oh my God, this is exactly the legendary Joe Biden walk all over again. Nobody really knows how many attempts they needed to record this, but it honestly looks like a confused grandpa wandered off and was finally found standing near a construction zone. Someone seriously needs to teach this thing how to lift its feet properly and bend its knees, or at least widen its stance so it does not smash its legs on a floor filled with wooden pallets. It feels outright frightening watching it walk around almost totally blind with no real cameras guiding it. And then, literally one day after that walk appeared online, Elon Musk dropped a huge surprise, releasing a video showing 6 everyday jobs the Tesla bot Optimus will be doing next year. Even more wild, this is the first officially sold Tesla bot Gen 3 arriving in February of the year 2026 and priced under $20,000. Elon Musk revealed that Gen 3 will launch with about 1,500 free tasks and then expand to nearly 3,000 tasks through later software updates. As for the next versions, Optimus Gen 4 will be a more powerful, more feature-filled upgrade, almost twice as intelligent as the Gen 3 version and able to support as many as 5,000 tasks. And believe it or not, Gen 5 is already moving through development, set to handle 6,500 tasks and planned for a release in the year 2028. Beyond that, the most shocking part is that Gen 5 is expected to be fully homemaker ready. It will be able to cook, clean, organize, and even perform certain kinds of surgery in under 2 hours with extremely accurate results. Elon Musk also shared a much bigger idea behind the Tesla bot. He believes that humans will one day be able to upload everything that makes them who they are into one of these robotic bodies. That means memories, personality patterns, behaviors, thinking style, everything. He said it is probably fewer than 20 years before a person could have an approximate snapshot of their mind uploaded into a robot body. Elon Musk directly said that humans might live forever inside a Tesla Optimus robot using that mental snapshot. During Tesla's recent shareholder meeting, someone asked whether a Neuralink device could capture a near copy of someone's mind and upload it into an Optimus robot. Musk answered with a confident yes. He genuinely said that in under 2 decades, it may be possible to create a digital version of yourself, including your personality and memory, and place it inside a Tesla robot. Of course, he was honest that it would not be an absolutely perfect twin because habits and reactions may shift once inside a robot body. The uploaded version would be you, but not fully 100% identical in the beginning. Optimus is Tesla's biped humanoid robot. It does not try to mimic a human face, but it walks on 2 legs, can lift objects weighing up to 20 kilograms, and is being trained to understand detailed instructions. It is designed to clearly look like a robot yet still navigate the real world, interact with humans, and maybe one day hold a digital human brain. Its potential is incredibly impressive but also a little scary if it eventually stores memories and learns to walk confidently. Now people want to know how much a Tesla bot Gen 5 will cost and why Elon Musk is giving such ambitious goals to that generation. Here is what you need to understand about how this robot works internally. Recently, humanoid robots from China, America, and Europe have been making headlines. China even has humanoid robots costing about $5,000, but most of them look very simple and perform clumsy movements that often make people laugh. Tesla's robot, however, has captured serious interest because it is considered one of the most polished humanoid robots in both design and precision. It may not yet be the absolute best humanoid robot on Earth, but it has become the center of attention after the Tesla shareholder meeting. Elon Musk confidently says Optimus might become one of the biggest breakthroughs in all human history. Tesla plans to build these robots at massive scale, aiming to make them as widely used as smartphones. Musk also revealed surprising information about Gen 4 and Gen 5 pricing. He said Tesla spends around $10,000 to build each Optimus, but will sell Gen 3 units for around $20,000. Higher generations such as Gen 4 and Gen 5 will cost somewhat more but will not cross $50,000, even for a Gen 5 model that can complete surgery in 2 hours and upload human memories. This means that for every 100,000 robots sold, Tesla could make roughly $4 billion in revenue. Musk has already stated that Tesla wants to produce Optimus at enormous scale, possibly reaching billions of units worldwide in the distant future. The idea of a $20,000 humanoid robot is revolutionary because building a robot shaped like a human is much harder than building an electric car like the Model Y. Humanoid robots need advanced software, sensors, and perfectly synchronized mechanical systems far more complex than anything inside a normal electric vehicle. Yet Musk keeps insisting that Optimus will cost about half the price of an electric car, making it more affordable than most humanoid robots available today. He explained that even though humanoid robots have been hyped for many years, they never became common because people did not see proof that these machines could truly help in daily life at a fair cost. A $20,000 robot that only walks awkwardly and becomes a decoration would never convince ordinary people to buy it. Wealthy individuals might get one for fun, but most people will not spend that amount unless they see real usefulness. Look at other robots to understand why Tesla's pricing is unusual. Boston Dynamics makes the famous Atlas robot, which is admired for its agility and advanced abilities. Atlas can do parkour and carry heavy items, showing incredible skill. But its cost is around $150,000, similar to two Tesla Model S cars combined, which puts it far out of reach for almost everyone except research labs and a few institutions. That massive price has prevented it from becoming common even after decades of development. Finding a humanoid robot priced below $50,000 is very rare. That is why Tesla's pricing is so disruptive. Musk repeats that Optimus will cost half the price of an electric car, meaning around $20,000, while costing about $10,000 to manufacture. If Tesla truly reaches this price, humanoid robots may become far more accessible than ever before. Some people doubt that Tesla can actually reach a $20,000 price, especially because the company sometimes misses timelines or adjusts goals. But there are real reasons this pricing could happen. Most robots use extremely expensive components that companies must buy from suppliers. Tesla plans to reuse technology already developed for its electric cars, including sensors, actuators, and artificial intelligence systems, all designed in-house. Reusing these proven systems dramatically lowers cost. Because Tesla has already mastered large-scale manufacturing, transferring that knowledge to robots gives them a real chance to keep costs low. Now imagine a Tesla bot Gen 5 completing 3,000 homemaker tasks in just 2 hours. Think about how life-changing that is. You would have a humanoid robot able to cook your breakfast, trim your lawn, fold your laundry, or even tutor your children without needing to hire someone. You save time, energy, and money. You regain hours normally spent on chores. Elon Musk has repeatedly said the Tesla bot can replace humans in boring, dangerous, and repetitive work. He even said these robots could generate income if used smartly. Despite this, many people still doubt the robot's usefulness. Some say that even if Musk drops the price to $10,000 or even $5,000, they still would not buy something that might turn out to be an expensive toy with limited real-world function. The truth is that people buy robots for one main reason: to make daily life easier. We only have 24 hours each day, and most adults spend more than 8 hours working, so coming home to a pile of chores feels exhausting. But imagine walking into a clean home, finding a hot meal waiting, and having a robot bring you a cold drink while you relax. It feels like a dream, yet Tesla Optimus could turn that dream into daily reality. Tesla transformed the entire electric vehicle world and has now pushed humanoid robotics forward at incredible speed. Before August of the year 2021, humanoid robots were seen as science fiction. After Tesla announced Optimus, companies across the world quickly revealed their own projects. From the start, Tesla designed Optimus to behave naturally like a human. It stands about 177 centimeters tall and weighs around 138 pounds, making it neither too heavy nor too bulky for a home. Nobody wants a loud robot, so Tesla avoided using hydraulic actuators, even though they provide more power. Tesla chose quiet electric actuators because they understand what customers actually want. People ask how long Optimus can work before needing a recharge. Tesla's documents claim the robot can operate for 20 hours a day. But the battery capacity is only 2.3 kilowatt-hours, which raises questions. It seems more likely that one charge gives around 6 hours of work time, and then the robot needs short recharge sessions to continue. Still, most people will not run the robot non-stop, since it is built for home use, not heavy factory jobs. One of the most mind-blowing abilities of Gen 5 is video learning. The robot can watch a video of a task and then learn to copy it using deep learning. Its 4 front-facing cameras help it observe and then perform nearly any household task after learning from a few examples. It can become a personal chef, preparing dinner after watching a cooking video, then cleaning up afterward. Or on a Sunday when you feel tired, you can play a cleaning tutorial and let the robot handle the mopping while you relax with coffee. To perform tasks correctly, Optimus needs advanced hands, and Tesla is pushing boundaries in this area. Its hands have 5 fingers with human-like lengths and are constantly improving with more sensors and more freedom of motion. Elon Musk is excited about the upgraded hand with 22 degrees of freedom, which can eventually play piano, thread needles, handle delicate items, and perform complex tasks requiring great skill. Of course, there are concerns. What if the robot watches the wrong video? How will Tesla control what tasks the robot attempts? These are important questions. But from an optimistic view, video learning allows extremely fast improvement across the entire fleet. Tesla's release timeline is clear. The retail version of Gen 3 launches early in the year 2026 with the latest artificial intelligence brain. Gen 4 follows in the year 2027 and Gen 5 in the year 2028. So what do you think? Is the Tesla bot worth its cost even if it only handles basic chores at first? Share your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe so you never miss the next big Tesla update. If you want more exciting news about Tesla electric vehicles or the Tesla bot, hit like, share this video, and turn on notifications. We appreciate your support and will see you in the next video. Goodbye.